Morning guys! Nakailis na ko pang ligo. Si Undoy kay di pa man gusto mo bakod. Uy, lamian man kay aircon man. O man maana dog na aircon. Mora man pagika. Lamig tugog na aircon. Abo dyan dyan Steve. Dis aman. Naligo na mo gikan?
No.
Di naligo na kagikan? Ah, nga na. Sulit jud ag time nga na dari kay ako nakaari na makaligo-ligo naman ko sa una.
No, I don't ligo
It's my
ice
first
there.
time. Why not ligo ice?
I'm just only relaxing there.
Why you don't like to ligo ice? Because the water
No,
will be...
it's mamaya pa.
Later on, you have
Later on.
swimming attire?
No, I don't have.
Why not? Wearing polo while swimming? It's your working polo.
No, I wear nakedless.
Kabira man dun wa pa man no expiration your English yet.
Ganto gani. Dito gani nagkuana pa may word for the day.
What is the word of the day?
Tibogso guys, and it's very laumable. And it's very dangerously when you are tibogso guys there. Because
you are going to die.
Your head will become brokenable.
Yeah, it's gonna be broken ball when you hitting the ice to na ball.
Yeah. So very dangerously.
I'm very scareable for you. Because you're not going to be uli anais when you go back to work in the municipal hall of Alicia.
I don't know what's happening to me.
Your boss is going to footballize you in the work.
It's his decision.
Sir.
It is the time for the decisionable time.
Sir Pantaleon, can you please tutorize your assistant because
You are the kasalanable. You're the reasonable why I'm Englishized very much dangerously.
the English size of him is not stoppable. It's continuously, ha?
Yeah, why not? Yeah, oh yeah.
He is dangerously Anglicized now. Cannot stopping him.
Okay, guys, go ahead.
Let's go eat.
Huh?
Let's go eat. You eat me, I eat you also in the restaurant.
We have to eat restaurant?
Yeah. No, don't eat the restaurant because no more restaurant in the resort.
I think we buy some fishy.
Okay, we buy only rice in the restaurant.
Yeah,
Okay, that's fine.
Because Mr. Hubak, sumabong.
Went to the market.
Limbo hall, well, sugba ice the
Is
fishy.
in the front of the silly bell.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, we gonna vlog the fishy sugba there?
Yeah, in front of the sea level.
Yeah.
Because there are sugba grill there.
But you know, the sea level is very dangerously because it's
Very
a
high?
big tidal.
Oh.
Big tidal wave. Oh, he is so very hinanokais.
Yeah.
He
My
is
husband.
sleeping.
Look at my husband, hinanokais. Look.
Yeah. Even we are very laudable
Yeah.
voices. Laudable voices.
Yeah. He's hinanokais now, but he tried to kuhitize me last night.
Ooh!
Yeah, kuhitize
Oh
me.
my God.
I cannot kuhitize him back because it's going to be very dangerously earthquake here. Bitaw guys, nangabuang naman eh. Diyan Stevie di ay so paka-subscribe niyo.
Yes.
Ay, kagaran na makaluluoy sa channel
You
kay wala ka
subscribable my channel.
Yes, please subscribable.
Please subscribable my
Did
channel.
Subscribable his YouTube guys.
My YouTube channel, Junjun's TV.
Insect ko bantag na. Ay guys. Sa dun kaya ito na i-charge done. You chargeable also your cellphone so your
Yeah.
cellphone is not dying in the sea level.
Yeah.
When we go to the sea level, very important your cellphone is active and still alive.
Where is Mr. Sumabong? We buy fishy.
Wait. You buy fishy right now? Hey, there's a booting.
It's a boot.
There's a booting in the sea level.
ALIWAROS.
My husband is awakening.
Yeah, he's awakening
Oh,
now.
no.
Oh, he is zombieable.
Yeah. Because he's not sleeping.
He will not cohetize you.
He tried to cohetize me.
Oh, it's very dangerously when you
Yeah.
when he cohetize you.
Yes, because the earthquake is going very stronger.
Oh, don't labas-labas
Ay!
because there's a buting-buting over there.
There's a booting there. You close the door. You close the door because the booting will. Wag na lisod na nga ni English sawi. Ang lisod na hinugi nga ni English sawi. Glibag ka sabay mo isumpay na ng English ang kagwang. Lisod basta pag English nga tinarang mga sentence. It's very dangerously hardest moment of our life to Englishise this kind of English. Is it true?
But I don't know why.
Because
No, it's easy for me to become Englishable.
but it's hard for me.
To have my Englishable like this is very easy for
It's
me.
very hard for me to Englishise like
Because
that.
you are speaking in dollar and me speaking in
What is your speaking? Englishise is your
honorable spoken.
Honorable.
Oh my God, what's happening to me? My hair is so very lost already.
It's longer.
And my teeth, oh, what happened to my teeth?
Where are they going?
It's gone. It's gone in with the wind. Silent.
Oh no. The wind is strong. It carried your teeth away. Naglisod ko sa isang in English and saan pag catch up.
Oh yeah.
It dangerously.
It's dangerously.
Namatagod ko sa isang English. I'm awakening of your English eyes.
Oh, I have two hands, the left and the right.
Kapalit sa mo isda, you buy fishes in the market.
Where is?
Breakfast is ready. Tusilog. Tusilog.
Inilo.
Namao ka dang? Ha? Namao ka?
Ako, lagyan ako.
Plaka ko dang, be? Plaka ko. Bebe. Oh, may burbus. Kahit padamo. Sa paduslak ako dahil sa tamaw ba kung paduslak na ng datian eh. Iba na ba yung pagkaingan ha? Padagdag. Ano yung bus lagi? Ano dari bus?
Dara da.
Pisa na yung pisa. Wala magtumoy.
Gamot ano na? Minto. May mong kinod.
Saan mo na eh? Uy, mga batasan mo, paduslak ako. Ano ba?
Ano, ikabay na yung kani. Jumping ball.
Ah, mga sa tagpamakaw. Kagwang ano, mga kansawiro mo mga kamao. Ikaw kung ikaigo. Ikaw kahit hindi mag-amuduslak. Aladuslak ka na. Mamaw sa ta. If you abstinize, we will go to Panas.
Oh yeah, sure.
You really sure about abstinize?
Yeah, I already filed a leave.
The sinus very delicious. Huh? Oh, Limwell's food is a very big kubaw. That's a kubaw. Lami ba dyan?
Delicious.
How about you? Lami ba imong corned beef? Lami. Ka John, lami mo?
Yes, I feel good.
Ligo na mi erang gwapuha ay. Kani may lami ligo ka init. Daghanay bildo. Wow. Grabe tinawa dari nga side kay puti mo gubas. Ang nice ah. Ligo sa ami guys.
Hi ma'am, can you take me a picture please?
Hmm?
Can you take me a picture?
Take a picture of you.
Yes.
I will take a picture.
Go, go, go!
I will myself. They are going home. Hani pa bilangan lang anong walay ka ba dyan? Nihapit mi karadya dari Spanas kan dihay guys kay darhiman mining agi nilabay pud mi sa Manok Island pero next time na mi mo hapit. Dani man ta sa una John. Ha? Dani ta sa una.
Ala nakalaag mo di ko dan.
Na isda. Isda dako. Oh, nanang langoy daghan na nagipanon. Mo kita. Daghan na. Ganahan sa kulare mo hapit kay makagaas pamati. Nice dare guys. Nice daghan na naglangoy. Kita mo si isda. Napa di seahorse na. Seahorse. May seahorse na, nalangoy-langoy. Alaghan nag-seahorse di. Alaghan nag-seahorse na. Oh, naglangoy-langoy.